We use UT195DS to test the phase sequence of three-phase current in the AC setting. Long press blue button. Enter the test standby mode. See a lock icon flashing here. We see the red probe as a reference point. Three-phase here. We use the red probe to hold it in place. Then use the black probe. When no lock icon flashing, remove the black probe. Test result will be shown at this time. Enable the backlight function. We see 1, 2, 3 with an arrow symbol. That was what we tested. It is a positive phase sequence. Then we present a negative phase sequence test, cause it is also yellow, green, red ABC, that is in positive phase sequence, or it may be CBA. Okay, we exit it. Retest it. Present a negative phase sequence. Okay, we jump the red wire to hold the first hole. The black probe holds the third hole. The lock icon. Remove the black probe when the lock is solid. We see a test result showed. Also 1, 2, 3. Remains 1, 2, 3, but direction of arrow changed. The direction of arrow is reverse. That is in negative phase sequence.